So here we are, YouTube, ready to have the rematch versus the dark type guy, Grimsley. Grimsley has dark type Pokemon as I told you, and leads with Sharpedo. Okay, Sharpedo, I have Scolipede. I guess I can go for a short dance on this Sharpedo. That goes for the waterfall, which will do a lot. Sharpedo has very good attack, but terrible defense, so Earthquake will KO. I guess I don't want to risk a Mega Horn miss. Next one is Scrafty. Ooh, Scrafty, Mega Horn. That sends Scrafty down. Yes, it does. Next one is Drapion, which is weak to Earthquake. Drapion. What this may have? It may have Earthquake. Let's see. I sent out Excadrill. Fire. Ooh! You fucker! Earthquake. Why do you have Fire Fang, you bad Drapion? Earthquake and Drapion is down. Next one is Coco Crocodile. Okay, Coco Crocodile. Electros. You will go for the Earthquake, I guess. Yes, I don't think so. Bricky Braca, this Coco Crocodile. A critical hit, okay. And now I don't have Levitate. Smackdown, I think that now after that Smackdown I don't have Levitate, I'm not sure. Let's see. Goes for the outrage, it doesn't KO. That Smackdown had a second effect, so I thought that I might don't have Levitate. Anyway, I sent out B Sharp, Sword Dance, yeah, I love you too. Another Sword Dance. No! The worst move on the game, the most worst bad gay move on the game. B-Sharp is down. Next one is his B-Sharp. My B-Sharp is sharper, so I go for the Bricky Braca, which KOs this B-Sharp. And I guess we defeated Grimsley, and on the next video we're about to go face Caitlyn, the Sleeping Beauty.